Hello, how you doing? Look, let's get these beautiful vegetable eggs together. I'm using a bit of sweet chili in this one, really simple. Okay, so what vegetables you use is entirely up to you. You can see what I've got. I've got about 2 cups of cabbage and then a cup of mushrooms, carrots, zucchini or courgettes, green onions. I've got about 2 tablespoons of a nice sweet chili sauce, about half a cup of onion, tablespoon of chopped garlic, and that's about it. But you can put in anything you want, absolutely anything. It's so easy. Of course, we're going to be needing eggs, aren't we? Okay, let's get this together. It's really simple. So in a pan, you're going to need some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Change that if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons. Above medium heat, let's get in that little bit of onion that I've sliced. To that, get in your hard vegetables. So in my case, it's going to be my carrots. If you're using celery or something like that, get that in also right now. I mean, you can add beans and things to this if you want. Anything goes, doesn't it? Okay, above medium heat, about 3 minutes there. Then we're going to go in with that chopped garlic. I've got about a tablespoon there. Then we're going to get in our shredded cabbage. I'm using a white cabbage. We're going to get some salt and pepper in the mix. I mean, I'm using this pink Himalayan salt at the moment. Bit of a favourite in the house at the moment, that one is. And then we're going to mix that. We're going to stir fry this around for about another 4 or so minutes. Really simple. Okay, I'm going to go in with my mushrooms, some bell peppers, the zucchini. Like I say, absolutely anything goes in there. You want to chuck some tomatoes in, you want to chuck some other kind of like sweet corn in or something like that, just to kind of bulk it out. Okay, the veggies in. What we're going to do now is we're going to go for about another 4 minutes again, stirring really often. Now I'm going to get in a cup of green onions now. I've held a few back as well. Then we're going to go in with that sweet chili sauce. Get some fresh chili in here or chili powder or something if you want. Then I've got about 6 beaten eggs there. And then you're just going to cook this until, you know, or how you like your eggs really. I mean, I like mine fairly well done, but you go for it however you want. Mix, mix, mix. Super, super easy. We're nearly done. Delicious stuff. So once your eggs are done and sorted, I'm just going to serve that on a plate and I'm going to add a little bit more of the green onion or scallions or whatever you call them on the top. Beautiful stuff. Really easy. I hope you enjoy that. Take it easy. Lots of love.